Alright, initial speed, and we're back at it. Today's a little bit of a reaction video because the Audi's back. Alright, so I'm taking my brother-in-law for a ride in the Audi. Let's see what he thinks. So we've got to get out to a little bit of a quiet area. So we're just gonna jump up to Country Road and let her eat.
Got a little spot to let her fly, huh?
Yeah, well, there are a couple, but I try not to go to the same spot too many times. What I don't get is we've got to have our cars road-worthy, but the road, is it ever worthy for cars? You know, when it's all bumpy and destroyed? We should hold them accountable like they hold us accountable for our cars. So it drives like a regular car, a little bit bumpier because the suspension is tight.
Yeah.
When we get back, if there's any time, I'll show you the things that are to go back on it. Steering wheel's to be changed. The shift knob I had personalized.
Okay.
The bag I think I'll leave alone for now. And then it's all outside stuff. Advanced, beautiful. Have you ever been in a turbocharged vehicle before?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Let her rip.
Sweet you?
Oh man, that's nice.
And that was probably about half throttle.
Wow.
Yeah. And then the Porsche brakes to bring her back down.
Yeah. That's what's up.
You like that? Oh, this is where it drops you out. Alright, we're gonna go this way. Here's where I took Charles last week Monday. And he was just sitting there shaking his head and he's like, Kyungwon still.
Yeah.
I like this area.
Yeah, this is nice.
I would love it even more if this street stays this way. I wouldn't want it to become a busier street just because like how close you are to the road, but I also like how much front yard they have. Going the same way we were going, so we'll let him go for a little and then we'll follow suit. I like this road because it's smooth.
That's clear. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
like that.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
And when the exhaust goes on, then she'll be able to breathe better.
Yeah.
And there'll be more power to be had. But as is, this is what I have. Well, I'm glad you like. I like it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Alright, and here's where we say goodbye to you guys. Because other things are about to happen.